We're back with more on the GOP healthcare showdown, and Nicole and Joe Walsh are back with us as well. Nicole, Congressman Chris Collins, he said, listen, Obamacare is imploding. It's actually crashing, which gives us a sense of urgency. In your mind, does that mean we should do it the way we're doing it now in this sort of piecemeal fashion, or should we just take a step back and do it the right way?
You know, Charles, as I mentioned, this is the problem with piecemeal, trying to patch something up. There was universal opposition to the Affordable Care Act from the medical community and the legislators and a large amount of the American people. Now, with the the American Health Care Act, you still have good distributed people who are opposed to the bill. And so the problem is we need something that more people are going to hop on board with. You can't just put a Band-Aid on a burr hole. This isn't going to work. So Affordable Care Act is already collapsing. The markets are collapsing. Do we just let that continue to happen while we come up with a fundamental, robust plan? That might be the way to do it.
Joe, here's the thing. With the new plan, premiums are going to go up in the next couple of years. By the way, the Kaiser Foundation says deductibles are going to go up big time. No one's even talking about that. Is that enough to say, hey, let's at least go back to the drawing board and perhaps letting Obamacare implode? Not as a political decision, but in order to do this the right way.
Hey, Charles, this bill will create a mess. And as you said, Republicans will own it. I think they tear it up, start over, and as you said earlier in the program, maybe just shelve it and move on to taxes and tax reform, or literally repeal Obamacare and start with something new, a brand new replacement.
Yeah.
Talk to Rand Paul.